COVID positive. So sometimes, nag-iingat na tayo pero hindi natin talaga makita ang kalaban, and it is not only us who are suffering now, it's the whole world, no? So letter H is shift, hold on to what you can control, which I mentioned, and not to focus those you cannot control. Tapos na yung blaming game natin. Oh, paano yun ano natin? Kasi hindi ko maano. So wala na yung ganun. So you have to move on. So sabihin mo sa sarili mo, move on. You have to wake up, no? Letter I, investors are coming in as they want also to pull out their asset. They might also a market share on the investor. Why? Sometimes yung mga mayayaman, those extremely wealthy sa ibang bansa, they don't want also to invest on their country. They also wanted to move out. So you have to watch out for those opportunities, no? F, finances. Alam natin mahirap kumita. Alam natin, tapos na tayo dun sa mga luho na nangyari sa atin, na enjoy na natin, nagawa na natin lahat ng gusto natin. But it is about time for us to manage our finances well. Those are things that are important and those things that are priority. If there are not priority, hindi naman kailangan, luho lang yan. Let's be more on securing our asset, our money. No? So, bottom line, we just have to spend wisely dahil marami pa tayong sasagupain. Kami mismo affected. You know, we have Tronics Master, we have 12 branches and 10 of it are all renting. Nagre-rent lang kami. Imagine if we have 40,000, imagine if we have 10 branches at 40,000 averaging rent, it's already 400,000. If we are no operation for 2 months, it's already 800,000. How would you expect a service center to recover 800,000? No? The rental law that published recently by DTI, it is not free. You are not allowed to collect, but it is still payable for 6 months. So imagine like a service center that we have, no? We are also affected. Like those restaurants that we have in Panay Kain Tulog. I know most of you have been there. Diba? Last night I received a call that Mandarin is thinking to close. So those are a lot of stories that we will be encountering. And if we are the broker of that transaction, there's a big expectation of the lessor and the lessee from us. The lessor would assume you to protect his interest. The lessee would also feel the same. So we will be caught in between, but we wanted to save both, right? So marami tayong challenges na dapat sagupain pa. Letter T is time will heal, and this is not a forever thing. And the best is yet to come. We have to retain positive. Dahil imagine mo na lang kung hindi tayo positive. Imagine if I deliver my talk to you, alam mo, naghihirap na tayo, malapit na tayong di ba? That is not the proper way we get our people are getting energy from us. And if we are not giving the right energy, giving them the right direction, how do you expect them to move? I have 100+ employees, and if I will not take care of them, this is the best time for us to take care of them. We even give them my first wave, second wave. We even working on the assisting of the DOL and the SSS, no? So our HR is also working. Although itong lockdown, we are not totally non-operation because we also handle a lot of mga property management which is operational. We are one of the property management of GSIS, and we are handling 10 hectares of industrial. So majority are essential items, kaya bukas pa rin kami, operational pa rin kami. And dealing with government and dealing with multinational company, Emperador, Berjaya, and other mga kumpanya is mga tenant namin. So it's not also easy. So we are not really non-operation. So business as usual. Everybody should mindset now business as usual. Tama na yung pabebe natin. Nag-enjoy na tayo for the past 2 weeks, 1 month, more than 1 month. We have done so much. Ako, I enjoy a lot of cooking. I would love to share to all of you my cooking, no? Naging good chef ako and I enjoy cooking for my family. May mga kasama pang mga presentation, but just timely, nagawa natin yun dahil those are things that we cannot do before. So I want to show you again the Moody's heat map. This heat map, why is important? This is a heat map wherein we are going to be aware of what are the industries that are high exposure, that has low exposure, that has moderate exposure. So kagaya ng mga lodging and leisure, of course, those are highly exposed and highly affected. Mga passenger, airline, retail, global shipping, gaming, consumer durables, automotive supplies, automotive manufacturers and apparel. And for the moderate exposure, nandiyan yung mga, of course, mga food industry, beverages, mga manufacturing, media, mining, oil, gas, property developer, agri, service companies, steel producers, technology, hardware, no? So, but those who are low exposure, syempre tuloy pa rin yung mga construction, yung mga rental, packaging, pharmaceutical, mga waste management, telecom, and others. So, it's about industry pa lang, napakaraming kliyente na eh. I'm showing you for you to be aware that a lot of untapped market. So maybe hindi naman tayo kailangan magtumpukan dito sa Quezon City, hindi naman tayo kailangan magpare-pareho. The market is so big. We have a lot of industry. The client are too big. Yung mga ating mga mga clan per client, napakarami na, we cannot handle so much. Another slide that I want to show you, especially now, meron mga na-lift na GCQ, may mga ECQ pa rin. So, you focus. You think, you look for those full operation ng ganito, ano yung mga semi-operation pa lang, no? So, these are very important mga drivers natin ng kung how to go and direct on our game plan. So, there are industries and offices considered for September opening, kagaya ng mga school, leisure, amusement, tourism, all mass gathering. The September opening is still, nakahang pa yan. Ngayon lang sinasabi kasi malayo pang September, but we cannot say. It's dalawa lang. We're struggling with health and we're struggling with economy. So, it's really something that is not really easy for us. No? So, I also come up with this. Why? We have the 10 ASEAN countries that we are working closely before. And for the info, we are holding the title. I'm so blessed to hold the title 2019 as the best real estate agent of ARENA, helped by our president, national president, Agnes. Thank you for that opportunity na naging awardee tayo. And isa sa maganda rin yun kasi pag hindi pa natuloy yung convention for 2020, I'm holding the title still, no? So, I'm still hold over. Ganda pala yun, hold over. Anyway, for this ASEAN country, you can see a lot of country was affected and we are third, no? On the most number of cases. So, we have the Singapore for 16,000, we have the Indonesia of 10,000, and tayo ngayon, 8,000 plus, no? This is as of April 30. Malaysia, Thailand, Vietnam, Myanmar, Cambodia, Brunei, no? So, makikita natin yung mga neighboring ASEAN, natin, kung how are they also. So, ngayon, even I wanted to travel because I have a lot of Singaporean partner. We do a lot of business with Singaporean. So, we don't wanted to have those interaction now, but we thank God for all those avenue now that we can still continue with our business. We are the third-party logistic of Motorola. Yung mga scanner sa mga grocery, kami ang third-party logistic nila. We are the sole authorized service center ng Hitachi. And marami pa. Meron kami mga ibang businesses with Singaporean. And not much with Indonesia, with Malaysia, yes. With Thailand, not much. Vietnam, yes. The others, wala namang masyado. But again, syempre, yun, networking is also important. Okay? So, I also come up with this as of May 1. This is available naman, but the reason why I wanted to show you, there you can see yung mga places natin na alam natin so that we can also be aware kung meron tayong mga tripping in that area, no? If we can also, importante, security din muna ng health natin eh. Maski na gusto natin kumita, but if we expose too much on risk, no? The risk is not equivalent. Paano ka pa kikita kung ang health mo may problem? So, health is wealth. That's very true. Kaya, we have to take care of ourselves. We have to be aware, no? Ng mga natin. Okay, for the third, there are a lot of creative deals. What do I mean on creative deals? marami tayong mga portfolio na pwede nating gawin. I personally, before the lockdown, during the lockdown, no, yung first 2 weeks na yon, while nanonood ka ng mga news, ako, bago ko makalimutan, kasi alam ko, parang vacation mode, I personally write all my pendings. If you will see, nakikita ba? No, if you will see, I categorize may pending. Ano yung category ko ng pending? For update, no? Okay? Meron akong for closing. Meron ako for follow-up. Meron ako mga so lahat 'yan. No? Umabot ako per category, minsan nasa 100 plus. So sinulat ko lahat 'yan. I don't know how many of you can have a good memory that can retain all of this in your Pag hindi mo nailista 'yan, masyadong masikip sa ating puso, sa ating dibdib kasi lagi nating iniisip yung pending natin. And after this GCQ, ECQ, maaring nakalimutan na natin, no? So pagka sinusulat natin, no? Nothing beats, no? A hard copy that you can always browse, you can checklist, you can finish pending, okay, for follow-up and everything. So, creative deals can come up with this recording. Marami tayong pwedeng creative deals. Marami dyan that are into disposing. No? Dapat marami tayong basket. Ikaw nagdi-dispose, dito ka. Ito, may pera to, liquid ka, ready ka lang dyan. Basta pag may hot buyer ako, may hot seller ako, you should be ready with your cash. No? Meron ka isang basket for your investor na ready anytime, basta clean paper. With the go from you, sure deal. No? May mga client na ganon. So may basket ka na, medyo may mga issues. Merong mga issues pero manageable, kayang gawin. So you have to put a lot of basket. Those basket, pag wala kang ginagawang ganyan, how do you expect to close a deal without doing anything on your end? No? So, creative deals can come up with a lot of things. Sabi ko nga, the market is big. No, we can do some profiling. We can do concentrate some off-market. When I say off-market, those with NDA, those with merging and acquisition, binebenta si ganitong kumpanya, binibili nito, so ito, ganito, acquisition, so those are off-market. Yung mga nakikita natin lahat sa Viber group, sa mga internet, sa mga carousel and everything, those are on the market to sell. So, marami na. Hindi lang ikaw nakakakita nun. So, sometimes there's no use para mag-agawan tayo sa isang kliyente o sa isang property. You can create your own deal by coming up with doing a good relationship that you can, so wherein I am focusing now, the merger and acquisition. The merger and acquisition is totally off-market and it is completely confidential. Matatapos, malalaman na lang nagkabilihan na, nagkabentahan, but there are a lot of due diligence na katumbas. Financial niya, labor cases niya, corporation niya, whatever. So a lot of things that you have to learn. So there are a lot of creative deals. You can come up with a good portfolio. You can concentrate of bank foreclosure. Walang mali lahat yan. Importante lang nagdidesisyon ka. What is your decision? Walang magsasabi ng mali o tama dahil depende kung diyan ka magaling, go for it, di ba? Pag nagkamali, okay lang. Charge to experience. Kaya nga mahal ang may experience eh. We always charge to experience. Ako, I have a lot of challenges. I've been in the business for the 25 years. No? So, what I'm sharing is actual mga experiences ko. Okay? So, focus on acquisition. Those put in the basket those acquisition mode, may mga disposition mode, and you try to test the market. When I say test the market, may mga listings ka industrial, don't wait for them to inquire. You reach out to them, you write them, you drop them an email, you look for the business development. Maraming pwede, no? Ang tanong, nagagawa ba natin lahat yan, di ba? So, get connected, choose your network. I have thousands, sabihin mo lang, cellphone ko pa lang, I have 26,000 contacts. Sa industry lang ng real estate, ilan ang kaibigan natin sa different association, PARE, PARA, Parks, PABA, CREBA, SHEDA. So, napakarami association, but we have to choose those people that wanted to work with us. Di ba? I am blessed, I have BPs working closely with our listings because we have a good problem. Our good problem is that dumami yung listings namin. Dati, 10 kliyente ko, 8 close ko. Kasi, one-on-one eh. dumami, which is I'm not complaining, but it's a blessing. But I have to come up with a good solution. That's why I have about 50 BPs per area, per specialization. Meron talaga nagko-concentrate for warehousing, may nagko-concentrate for South, for North, kagaya ni Mr. Robert Lim sa North, si Miss Eileen for BP Professionals. So marami concentrated on per area and per specialization or per industry. Meron nag-specialize sa gasoline station. Minsan di natin alam si Caltex ano plano nila, si Shell ano plano nila na expansion. We are opening up about 100 station for the next 2 years. So ito yung mga ano nila, ano yung mga wrong side, right side. Dapat alam natin yan. So we have to choose the right partner that we wanted to work with. You will notice in our group chat, napakaraming mga invitation ng Viber group. I would believe all of you will agree. Merong Barangay Santo Domingo Community, ang mga members yan 300 plus, meron 500 plus, may 6,000 plus, may 200,000, may 2,000, 8,000, napakarami. Alam nyo ba, sila din yung mga buyer and seller. So if we are not going to invest on our relationship with our client, there's a big chance of them kalimutan tayo dahil gusto rin nila makatipid sa commission, they wanted and tayo mismo, we don't have enough time for them. In this avenue na binuksan ang daming chat group, meron expecting mother, meron frozen meron ganyan, ang daming chat group. Doon pa lang, 'di ba? They can reach out to each and everyone. So, marami na silang pwedeng ma-transact without brokers. So, ngayon, we are in big dilemma if we don't really focus on what we wanted to do and if we don't focus on the investment on our client. Ako, napaka-OA ko sa kliyente. When I say OA, overacting, kagaya itong lockdown, I spent about almost 30,000-50,000. Namimigay ako sa mga kliyente ko. Nagpapagrab ako, o-order ako ng food, papadala ko sa kanila just to show them that, just to say hi, just to let them know that I'm in touch for anything. So, mga small ganon. I don't treat that as an expenses. I treat that as an investment. Dahil yung mga kliyente naman na padalan ko, kumita na ako sa kanila. Ano ba naman yung padala natin? And to show them that we are in touch, or if you have anything, I'm here. No? Kailangan lagi tayo nararamdaman. Dati, nung nag-uumpisa ako, alam mo kung saan may patay, nandun ako. Saan may birthday, nandoon ako. Halos lahat, kung ano okasyon, lahat na lang aatenan. So ngayon, siyempre, natuto na rin tayo. We have some priorities to do, no? And we have so much already that we cannot able to finish na. So kailangan lang, natututo lang tayo magsara ng transaction. Meron kasing mga magagaling tripping, magagaling mag-documents, pero hindi sila magaling sa closing. So meron tayong kanya-kanyang gift. So dapat napapractice yun. Marami kang na-tripping pero hindi ka nagsasara ng transaction. Paano mo gagawin yun? Di ba? So that's why we invest a lot of training in our office. I want to duplicate myself. We are having a lot of mga training because we have to invest on our training. Sa Singapore, they invest so much on the training. Dito, yung mga ahente, yung mga broker, minsan iimbitahin mo, libre na, susunduin mo na, mga iba may allowance pa, hindi pa dadating. Sa totoo lang. I'm just telling of my actual experiences. May konting hugot pero totoo. Okay? So, find a great partner. Sa QCRB, we will never go wrong. Ang dami dito, talagang mga producer. I have deal with a lot of QCRB. I have deal with Yeye, with Tony Lanusa, with si Ryan Osea, si Ryan Centeno, si Robert Lim, no, si Eileen. So, ang dami. Siguro, I can easily mention 20 to 25 QCRB members that have successful dealings with us. So, find the great partners. Sometimes, pagka tingin natin, masyadong toxic to, masyado lang hindi naman counterproductive sa'yo, you have total option to choose your partner. Di ba? You have total option, but you have to just handle it well. Okay? So, fifth is to revise your SWOT analysis and target market. The SWOT analysis, ano yung SWOT natin? What are your strength? What are your weakness? What are your opportunities? What are your threat? Kung wala kang kausap, dahil ikaw lang mag-isa sa kumpanya, dahil ikaw lang sarili mag-plan out, patayin mo lahat ng mga distraction, you plan out, you focus on what do you want. Kung meron kang co-anchor, ka-partner that you wanted, o sige, mag-conference call tayo, let's plan out something kasi ito, ganito, ganito, ganito. So, walang tama't mali yan, pero pag hindi mo ginagawa yun, yun ang mali. No? So, you have to analyze now what are your SWOT. So because of the new norms, because of the social distancing, because of the new guidelines ng ating government and other things, we have to align our target by coming up with a new SWOT analysis. 6 is the local and international network. No, so again, it's again like a basket. So you have your local, you have international. Just like me, I have associations sa mga brokers, sa mga real estate industry. Meron din akong mga association na hindi related sa real estate like Management Association of the Philippines, Philippine Marketing Association of the Philippines, Go Negosyo, we have the Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber, we have QC Businessman, we have the Soroptomies, we have mga non-real estate, we have to also joining some of the civic mga Lions Club, no? So, marami naman eh. So, hindi lahat tungkol sa broker lang. Kasi, sometimes you get network with the brokers but you don't really have direct business with them. Unlike if you join a non-real estate business association, you will be getting yung client, no? May makikilala ka, may mga magpapabenta. Yan. Those are leads. So, important is lead generation. You have to come up. There's a lot of untapped market, underserved market. So, you have to plan for the post-COVID, no? Yan. Am I going too fast? Is my presentation clear?
Clear?
Okay,
Clear.
So, I want you to focus on the 7, which is the last but the most important. We have to commit everything to the Lord. Kasi hindi tayo pwedeng half-hearted in our prayer, in our everything. So, if we commit everything to the Lord, nothing will go wrong. Para tong shield of protection. Whenever we have the vest, pag lumalabas tayo, parang when you wake up, instead of coming up with your cell phone, you have some quiet times and quiet time and you read Bibles, no? In-depth Bible study. You pray with your family. That's very important kasi we have to invest on our salvation. We have to invest on our relationship with the Lord. Kami ng husband ko, just to share with you, every day, may 3 to 5 chapters, Bible reading. So, meron kaming audio, binubuksan namin yung Bible. Yung Bible, ako sa computer na Bible, e-Bible. So, we read together 3 to 5 chapters a day. Dahil lagi kong sinasabi, 3 network natin sa Pilipinas, Smart, Globe, and Sun. Our God is smart and He owns the Globe and the Sun. So we wanted to be connected. We have the 3 networks. We have all the communication. We have the means how to communicate. So we will never go wrong. Again, it's not about religion. It's about the relationship that we have with our Lord, di ba? Kung ano yung investment natin. Dahil at the end of the day, tatanungin tayo ni Lord, ano yung nagawa natin dito? Ano yung mga natulungan natin? I'm also happy to share with you that I was able to share mga PPE sa mga ibang hospital through rehab. Parang pinaka-corporate CSR namin, no? Nag-order ako ng food. Nagpadala ako sa Chinese Gen, 50 packs, mura lang. For 50 na taong kumain, 3,500 lang yun. Biruin mo, napasaya mo yung mga frontliners natin. In-orderan ko, kliyente ko rin, may-ari ng garments, and father-in-law, actually business nila, Shamsi Supsup, food pack na yon, no? So, mga ganun. Something, we don't really have to announce, but since that I'm just telling you that we have to be accountable. Not only, syempre meron tayong inflow, may outflow. Paano tayo dadagdagan ni Lord ng mga blessing kung hindi tayo marunong maging blessing sa iba? So for me, commit everything to the Lord, trust Him, and He will help you. That is Psalm 37 verse 5. Okay? So,
are you done?
let me just give this tip later after, if I'm given the last chance to talk to for parting words, I will just share this later. I'm done for the first part, and thank you for this. Maybe tuloy-tuloy ko na. Teka lang
Yeah.
Tuloy-tuloy ko na. Ano na to
Yes.
eh? Prime time, no? Okay. So, no, I just wanted to share some tip, no? Amidst COVID-19, of course, COVID, inano ko as COVID, COVID. No, COVID is C, continues to learn by attending webinar organized by Pareb and others. Organize your files, listing, contacts, emails. Diyan lang napakarami na. It will eat up too much of your time. Be visible and stay connected with your network, to your client, no? Kagaya nga ng sinabi ko, sending food, then segue mo for any real estate requirements. Innovate, create your branding and market positioning in real estate, and the digital platforms. What we did this morning is a digital platforms wherein we wanted to share through the expertise of Attorney Sherwin and as our legal consultant in rehab, yun tungkol sa BIR. Kaya we also come up with some new materials. Kagaya ito, excellence and commitment. May mga bago kaming materials na ginawa. Buying or selling your property, talk to the specialist. So you can create something. Hindi naman natin dapat ipagdamot to. We are just sharing with you on how you will do it. Your ideal real estate partner. No? Yan. And of course, with my life verse, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. That's all. I hope you were able to